everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY tea rinse that can help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 2 tablespoons of elderflowers. Elderflowers can bring many amazing benefits to your hair. When used for hair care, elderflowers work to keep the hair hydrated, detangle the hair, and make it feel smooth and silky. Elderflowers can even be used to reduce inflammation. Also, elderflowers can help treat split ends, problematic hairlines, and is also known for encouraging natural hair growth. And the second ingredient is going to be 1 teaspoon of cloves. Cloves help to promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add shine to the hair shaft. Also, the antioxidants found in cloves help to increase circulation to the scalp, in turn work to stimulate new healthy hair growth. And the third ingredient is going to be 1 cinnamon stick. Cinnamon is able to help remove buildup from the scalp, allowing for healthier follicles that in turn promote better hair growth. Cinnamon also helps encourage healthy hair growth by causing a tingling sensation, which is thought to draw more rushing blood to the scalp for stimulation. Now I'm just going to place all the ingredients into a bowl, and then I'm also going to place 1.5 cups of hot water into the bowl as well. I'm going to allow this tea to steep for about 15 minutes, or you can wait till it has completely cooled down. So after about 15 minutes, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to strain it and then place the rinse into a spray bottle for easier application. Now, when it comes to storage, you want to place it into the refrigerator when not in use, and it should last about 2 to 4 weeks. And if you want it to last longer, you can place it into the freezer and it should last about 3 to 6 months. Also, I'll be adding 2 additional ingredients to this tea rinse. One of those ingredients being 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, and the other ingredient being 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Be sure to check out the description box. That is where I always put the ingredients list, as well as where you can purchase the ingredients and also the description of each of these ingredients. So when using this as a hair rinse, you want to apply this all over your hair and scalp after you shampooed your hair, because you want to make sure that your scalp is clean. Once you've sprayed it all over your hair and scalp, you're just going to leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to follow up with your favorite deep conditioner. So you can do this method whenever it's your wash day. So whether you wash your hair once a week or every 2 weeks, so it'll just be up to you. So that's how often you should use the rinse, whenever it's your wash day. Also, you can use this spray as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. All you have to do is just apply it on your scalp and also all over your hair from root to ends, and then make sure you follow up with your favorite hair oil or hair butter or cream so that way you can seal in the moisture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.